Welcome back, guys. Well, guys, the day has finally come for me to do my baby girl's bedroom makeover. I have been promising her this for about a year now, and I've been planning for about a year. So what you're looking at is kind of like the takedown process. As you can see, she has everything, otherwise known as single child syndrome. But I really just wanted to make her room have a more fresher, comfortable, more beautiful look that she would be comfortable in. So you'll see a little feature from her later on. So guys, here are a few things that I used. You're welcome to pause the video just to see everything that was included. So this was our trip to Home Depot. Later on in the video, you'll see all of the measurements of our boards.
When you're ready to move it, I'm ready because it's done.
Strokes up and down. There you go. Dip it in again. Okay, so what my dad is doing here is marking where the stud is on the wall. And what we're going to do is pre-drill where he marked. That way we'll know where the stud is and where to place the screw.
What you saying now?
Oh, you want me to do it now?
Well, you gonna paint it, right?
So this is a little glimpse of the ledge before we actually put the backboard that I'm lifting up right there. So this is actually what the board should look like before we put the bottom lip on there. I suggest gluing and then nailing. Let's talk about storage. One of the main reasons I did this project is because of storage reasons. My little one is growing up and I wanted to get things off the floor and just make it a more spacious and exciting place for her to be and not be so cramped. So this little clear bag was actually a bed in a bag. It came in handy because I'm able to store some of her knick-knack toys that she does play with, but they don't really have a home. And it's easy storage. It zips up perfectly and goes right underneath her bed. Another hack is this over-the-door pantry. It came in handy. I have one in my closet. We have a lot of natural hair products, so this was perfect. And this is what it looks like. It was really easy to put together, but I'm able to store a lot of her things and kind of make it easy for her to get. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you what I just got for my baby's room to go over her bed. It's a flower, and well, there are several flowers. God, I look so busted. God, I look so busted. God, I look so busted. It's all good. Been working. There are several little flowers that comes with an adhesive on the back of there, and I just thought they were so cute to go over her bed. Aren't they so pretty? I love them. Here's another one. So these flowers I purchased from Amazon. Later on in the video, you'll see where I placed them, but I wasn't too pleased. I feel as though it's a little too empty, so I will be going back to get more of these flowers. But y'all, they are so pretty. They make a perfect addition to anyone's room or office. They came with a little card. It was great. It was great. So this dresser, my mom bought this in 1995. It's a vanity dresser, and I've had it since. And so I decided to turn this into a desk dresser. That way my daughter can do her schoolwork, she can do her art activities, she can color, and she can still put her clothes in there. And welcome home. Y'all, overall, I am so pleased with the outcome of my daughter's room. It's so much more fresher, it's cleaner, it's a little bit more grown up for her. I mean, of course, she's 7, so she's still my baby, but still, I am very, very pleased. So as you can see here, I did get some more of those flowers and put them on the opposite wall. Not too keen on the placement, but I will be ordering more. These little hooks were like $7 and something at Target. Perfect for storage. Absolutely perfect. This little lamp was $7.96. I got 2 of those from Walmart. One for the side of her bed and one to go on her desk dresser. So I've been collecting these mason jars for about maybe 8 or 9 months. They're also a great addition for her to have all of her supplies in, and she absolutely loves it. These curtains, I will have affiliate links either attached or in the description box. but they definitely came with her comforter set. Guys, this is getting close to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a blessed day. Make sure you subscribe.